and this is my guide to getting custom ringtones on Android. Your first thing to do, you can either go and camera roll. So I'll do my camera right now. And you can grab the video. You can go edit. No, sorry, rename. And making it a MP3 file. Let me try a different version. Here we are. Go to your videos. Grab the video. Rename. Now make it an MP3 file. Rename and go to your audio files, and it should be just there, and you can make it your ringtone in your ringtone settings, which would be settings, sound and vibration, and then ringtone, and you can make that whatever you want. The easier way is to download an app called Z, which is not sponsored, and you can just loading up. You can sign up and get video wallpapers, and even ringtones, which will be down the bottom tab. And then you can just download the Grinch. You can just download, and you can just set the ringtone, something like that. As my guide to get custom ringtones on Android. I hope this helped.